Welcome to our video. If you're watching this and you're probably looking to grow your YouTube channel and dominate the platform in 2023, well, you've come to the right place. I'm here to unlock the secrets for explosive growth and provide you with the ultimate guide to dominating YouTube. We all know that YouTube can be a crowded platform. It can be tough to stand out from the competition, but the good news that it is really possible. There are proven strategies that work and techniques that help you grow your channel for more reach to your target audience. So let's dive into the first part of how to have explosive growth in 2023 on YouTube. Okay, so very first thing you want to do is you want to optimize your channel with certain keywords to make your videos easier to find for people that are looking for your type of video. You want to make sure that there's relevant keywords, tags, titles, descriptions. It also means creating content that people are looking for so that people can find you more easily and readily. Second thing you want to do is you want to create very engaging content that people really want to listen to, not just a talking head video all the time, but something that people really want to listen to and a topic that really interests them. So you can't just be boring and just keep going on and on about what it is you're talking about. You have to get to the point so people can enjoy what you're listening to. Because if not, they're going to go to listen to something or watch something else. So you got to be engaging, you got to mix it up a little bit, have some fun with it. So create engaging content. To create engaging content, you have to know what your audience is looking for and what they want, what they need. So make sure you understand who your audience is and what they want. So everybody, the next thing is the very third thing is you want to find others to collaborate with. What does that mean, Chris? Well, you might find another YouTuber, another Facebook, another influencer, another different platform, another blogger that you can work together with and get your message out to more people, and they can get their message out to a different audience as well. So the whole goal with this collaboration is to grow your business and theirs. It's a great way to reach new audiences and grow your channel, and also find other YouTubers, other bloggers, other social media influencers in and outside of your niche to work together to create awesome, wonderful content. Make sure when you're collaborating, though, there's similar brand values and there's some overlap in interest. You don't want, for example, to do underwater basket weaving with people who make knives, right? Because they may not correlate. Now, there may be a small part of that community, both those communities that overlap, but you want more overlap than less overlap, if that makes sense. The fourth thing you want to do is use your social media to promote all your videos. Social media is a very powerful way of promoting your channel and reaching new audiences. Share your videos on all your social media platforms and get engaged with all your followers. Make sure that the social media platform is right for your audience. For example, if your target audience is younger, you want to focus more on TikTok and Instagram. Fifth, engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is the best way to build a sense of community and growing your channel. Respond to comments, ask for feedback with your audience for what they would like to see. Your audience is your biggest asset, so make sure you're treating them well. Okay, let's hear it. Yeah, I hear the horn. Listen, so those are the 5 secrets I promised you for explosive YouTube growth. But there's one more thing I want to mention. You have to be consistent. Consistency is key on YouTube. You need to be uploading regularly and sticking to a schedule. You see, you have the ultimate guide now of how to grow YouTube explosively in 2023. But it's been my pleasure to host you. If you need more information on how to grow your YouTube channel, connect with me through the YouTube channel here, Conquer with Chris, the podcast you don't want to miss.